Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to create your own Easter basket using items from the Dollar Tree. This little small bag here I have, it's from the Dollar Tree, and I also have this peep garland that's from the Dollar Tree. Now, I do not know if the Dollar Tree still carry these little goodies bags because I had these bags for maybe 5 years now. I'm just trying to get rid of some of my old craft stuff, so here I am. Okay, so we're going to use our garland from the Dollar Tree. It has a few peeps on it. Do not ask me how much because I did not count it. I'm just now looking at it and be like, I didn't count it, but I know there's like double of each color, so do the math for the color that you know for Easter. So I went ahead, I untied my string, and I'm just going to pull off a few of my little Easter bunny. Now, I'm only going to be making two, one for a boy, one for a girl, okay? So here I am, I'm going to pull the tag off, and we have our little peep that we took off the garland, and I am going to be using my little Cricut mini press to also personalize this. So here I have some fabric glue that's from the Dollar Tree now, and some tacky glue there from the Dollar Tree. These glue are old, okay? I have these for a long time, so I don't even know if it works. Okay, so we're about to find out if it does work. That's why I was just reading, like literally reading the back of the label, because I have it for a long time, but it's been stored well. But again, it's from the Dollar Tree, so we don't know. We're about to find out. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to be using my Cricut heat press to kind of press these out because they're all like, I want to say crushed, but I've learned that you do not say crush because crush means something else in America. You say wrinkle. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, so in Jamaica we'll say it's crushed up, but it's all wrinkled. So I am going to use I'm using my Cricut press to get some of the moisture out and the wrinkles. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to spray on the back of her peep and keep watching. You'll see what's going to happen. Well guys, due to the fact that I'm going to be spraying here, I don't want the spray to get all over. I don't want to get my counter with the spray. I don't want to get my Teflon sheet or any of that. So I put a little garbage bag here, and I'm going to flip my peep over, and I'm going to shake. You have to make sure you shake this spray very well. Okay, those I know they still have those at the Dollar Tree, but I had these. Let's try it and see what happened. All right, so here we are, spraying the back of the peep with the fabric spray. Okay, fabric glue spray. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to hold it to the side, and I'm going to move the bag to the side. I'm going to get my little goodie bag here, and I'm going to put the peep on. Years ago, like I said, 5 years ago, I used these goodie bags for Halloween trick-or-treat. I used to personalize kids' name on it with glow in the dark. Oh, it was so cute. So I have these leftovers, and of course I decided I found these, so I'm just going to use them. So yeah, putting a little peep on the bag, and I'm just going to rub my hand across just to make sure everything lay down nice and flat, and that's it. Now also I want to, I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I want to make sure I'm not going to glue it from the inside, okay? So if you're uncomfortable about doing this because you're afraid that you're going to glue your bag shut together, you can always put a piece of cardboard inside of your bag. However, I don't think you need to do that because this didn't stick together, or stuck together. But then again, the glue is old, so we don't know if it's doing this job or not. So here I am. We put that to the side. Keep watching. You're gonna find out what happened. Okay, be patient with me there. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna do the same thing to the second bag. We're gonna get our Cricut Easy Press, and we're gonna press that to get all the wrinkles and the moisture out of our second bag. Now I'm gonna be doing this one of them. I'm just tired of looking at pink for girls, so I'm gonna do take a guess and tell me what color you think I'm going to be doing. I mean, from the thumbnail, you obviously know, but we're going to do yellow, okay? So we're going to do that neon yellow color. So once I'm done pressing that, getting all the moisture out, we're going to do that. But then I'm going to do, this time for this one, I'm not going to be using the spray. I'm going to be using the tacky glue. However, I was here trying to figure out which one of these I want to use. So I have some vinyl, and I'm like, should I use the pink, should I use the yellow, should I use the blue, which one should I really use? So I'm just looking at it, but come to find out, these vinyl are puff vinyl, and puff vinyl works better on stretchy material. I got these at Hobby Lobby on sale over sometime last year, so I was just trying to show you guys this sale price. However, unfortunately, even though these look really nice and I would love to use them on it, this is like a cotton canvas fabric, and it's on the packet of this, it strongly suggests to use it on stretchy fabric. I've never worked with the puff vinyl before. So yeah, I'm just using a popsicle stick to get the glue out and rub it on the back of this because it's very thick. I don't know if it's because I have it for a while now, but it's very thick, and so it was taking a long time for me to squeeze it out from the top. So I just use a popsicle stick, go on in, wipe it out, and then wipe it on my little bunny. My little bunny. I want to say Pete, but my little Pete bunny, which I think is a bunny because it has a tail. So that's all I'm doing there. So once I'm done smudging the glue all over this bunny, and it did take some time because I tell ya, the glue is very thick. I don't know if that's how it should be. Like I said, I have this for a while, never used it. I just going up to the Dollar Tree all the time, just buy stuff. In my head, I have so much so much crafting idea, but then I can't craft for fun anymore. I work full time. I do this as a side hustle, so I don't have time to craft for fun. It's craft to sell to people. And then if you guys are old here, like old followers, old subscribers, you know how it gets when it gets to the summer and the fall. Your girl take it to the next level, okay? We take it to the next level on the outdoor. So where do I really get time to do all of this? So it's hard. It's not like first time. Anyways, so that's just that. So that's what I always do. Go out there, buy stuff. I'm going to craft, but never really do it because I have no time and it's just one me. So here I'm pushing my hand on the inside of the bag, and this is just to show you that, hey, we don't want this to get glued together, because what if the glue seeped through? That's why I pushed my hand there. Come to find out, it did not seep through. It was, the bag is thick enough. It's like not really thin. It's a piece of cotton, but it's not really thin. So I went ahead and I cut out the kid's name that I'm going to be placing on these Easter baggies on my Cricut. And I'm just weeding it out for you guys here, and that's it. Nothing crazy. So I'm just showing you guys, after I cut it out, I just kind of bring it over to the table, weeding it out, and then we're going to put it in the bag. However, this, if you guys are like not used to heat transfer vinyl, it peels better. I swear to God, it peels better like if you put it on a warm surface, not hot surface. Like let's say like under your heat press where the heat is like penetrating, or you probably rub your Cricut Easy Press on the mat, then kind of like put it down, take it off your Cricut mat and put it down and weed it out like butter. Comes off like butter. But when you're peeling like this, it's like hard because it's cold, so it's hard to peel off. But there it is. I'm just showing you guys. We're going to cut out the word Bella. Bella, this little bag belongs to Bella. She's going to be so excited when she gets it. So anyways, so that's just that. Once we're done weeding that out, we're going to go ahead and take that off our mat, and we're going to flip our mat over and put it to the side, take the other one off. We're going to weed it off camera, and then we're going to press. So stay tuned to see how I do so. Now, I forgot to mention to you guys, I did set the bags aside to dry for about 15 minutes, okay? And then I pressed and I didn't have any problem. I don't know if you're going to do this, if the glue is more thin, then you probably want to set it longer. But I did set it aside to dry for about 50 minutes. So here I'm using my mini Cricut press to press on the name, because of course I don't feel like I want to use that big old press on the bag, because I wasn't sure if this is fully dry, because this only I only put it to the side for 15 minutes, and I was scared that I may put this over this, and then what happened is that I get like the thing seep through on my Cricut Easy Press. Or you could just easily put a Teflon sheet. You've seen the Teflon sheet. It's right over there next to my left hand side if you're watching. It's okay, my right, your left. Okay, so but again, we're just using our mini press because we want to see what's going to happen. And we pressed on Bella's name. Now with the mini press, it does have a time set, so and you have to do kind of like one by one, rub it across like you're pressing or ironing something. So that's why you see I'm doing it like that. But look at this. There it is, guys. It did not stick together. Look how cute that is. It's so cute. It's adorable. Okay, I really don't know if they sell these bags at the Dollar Tree anymore, but you know what, the best part of this, you can actually, if you're a person who sew, you can sew these bags. Like I sew, but I don't have time for that, so I'm not gonna do it. Like I said, I have like freaking 30 of these bags that I'm trying to get rid of, so I'm gonna try to get rid of them for Easter, and if they don't go for Easter, we'll try again for Halloween. They shall go. All right, so here we are. All right, so I'm putting on the other kid name on the other bag, which is a little boy, and he's gonna be happy too when he gets his bag. So pressing his name on, and that's just it. So because we do not have like a timer on this, how to count down and the pressure, that's why you notice I'm putting both hands on each other to put my pressure, because each vinyl will tell you a pressure and a temperature and a timer. So I've been using this one vinyl forever, so I kind of like got used to it. So I just know. I don't remember the pressure or the temperature, because guess what? The wrapper is in the garbage. This is old. I mean, this is leftover from other stuff. You buy them. I buy them in bulk. So, but I use it so much. I just know. After a while, you will know. So, but if you choose to use this vinyl, you don't know, then just read the package. So you see how that came out? This is a warm peel, a hot peel. So you have cool peel and you have hot peel. So I'm not going to get into all the Cricut stuff. If you're interested in knowing more about that, you could watch another video, or you could go back 5 years ago. Because when I first started YouTube, this is what I used to do on YouTube, crafting. I used to show people how to craft, every different type of crafting, from tumbler making, from just simple Dollar Tree stuff, till I start getting a little bit more in the home projects, and they start liking it, so I do more. So when it's warm outside, I do outside stuff, and when it's cold inside, I go back to this. When it's cold outside, I go back to this. All right, so there you have it. That's what they look like. They turn out absolutely gorgeous. Tell me, these are so cute. Not because I make them, but they're so cute. Now, if you're still here with me, you are the real deal. Go ahead and type in the comment section and let me know if you will try these, or if you will purchase these. And if you will, let me know, because I'll have them in my TikTok shop. So you can go on over there and check out my TikTok shop. Link is going to be in the bio of my YouTube page here. So these turn out absolutely gorgeous, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you guys for your continuous love and support. If you've been here for a while, and if you're new, welcome. So I'm just showing you guys inside of the bag so you can see that nothing seeps through. Life is good and it's beautiful. So I know I talk a lot, and with all that have been said, don't forget to check out my social media page. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Now remember that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.